Hi guys, back with this Sharp GF 555E Ghetto blaster. As you can see in the previous video, I managed to separate the two sections, remove the front cover, and just going to give it a clean in this one. So what I'm going to do is just remove what I can from here, parts that don't obviously want to get wet. So I'll just take the speakers out with the tweeters. There you can see your speaker there. Got them both out, and then just got to put them to one side. But firstly, I've got to remove the dampers for the cassette. I don't want to get them wet. These make the cassette door open slowly. Not sure how they react to water, so I'm just going to remove them. There's two of them, and there they are there. And just show you the inside of the front cover. So I'm just going to give this section a wash along with the back section. I'll just use a bit of fairy liquid and water, just spray it on, just give it a rub with a paintbrush, just to remove all the dirt on both sections. That's the front and the back cover. And here you can see me just flipping it over, and same, I'll just spray it and with fairy liquid and water, and just give it a paint just to remove any dirt. And then now that that's done, I'm just going to shower the whole unit off. You can see me showering it off here. A lot of dirt came off it. And then I'm just going to clean these keys for the cassette. Here you can see me just cleaning in between the keys. So I'll just use some wet wipes on them, just get all the dirt off. There's a lot of years of dirt and grime on these buttons, on all of them. So you can see me just getting them all clean best I can. And I'll just clean this section here. There you go, nice and sparkling. I use bleach on the top. I'll just show you here, this section here, there's a lot of dirt and grime over the years. I'll just use a bit of bleach, and as you can see, it's just start working straight away. Just use a bit of bleach on a wet wipe, and it gets all the grime off. There's a bit of grime in this gap here, let me just show you. And you can see here, I've got it all out, got it all cleaned out. And the handle, stay to that, dirty, so the dirt coming off onto the wet wipes. Just get a wipe with the, get that good clean with the bit of bleach on it. Get all these little bits of grime, 40 years of grime and what have not. And just cleaning these buttons here. Just full of dirt over the years. This part's immaculate because it was covered, but I'm just going to give it a wipe anyway. It sits behind the perspex screen. And I've just left the parts out to dry. As you can see here, the front and the back. Just put them on an angle so they can dry off naturally, and I'll turn them from time to time, make sure there's no water stuck in them. So next time I'm going to be able to looking at the mechanicals. Here you can see the I've had to remove the cassette's mechanism. So until next time, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.